Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create audio velocity edit on Capcut. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have prepared my project on my Capcut application and I'm going to create audio velocity edit with this video. And as you can see, I have imported my audio to this project as well. And if we want to create the audio velocity edit, first thing first, we have to go to the style option, click on the video and then go to the style, and then you are going to click on this velocity category and you can select this flash velocity. Just click on it and then you have to wait until 100% and the velocity will be applied to your video. You don't need to create the velocity manually. You just need to use this velocity feature on Capcut to create the velocity edit. Okay, and I'm going to take a look at the result, guys, but before it I'm going to volume down. I'm afraid of the copyright, so I'm gonna decrease the volume. Okay, and this is the final result. That's so easy, right? Alright guys, and that's how we can create audio velocity edit on Capcut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.